Say, oh, oh, freedom. Oh, oh, freedom. Oh, oh, freedom. Oh, but we. And before we be on our slaves, we gonna be buried in regret and wide hope till we gone and be free. There'll be morning coming. There'll be morning. There'll be morning over we. And before we be on our slaves, we gonna be buried in regret and wide hope till we gone and be free. Oh, 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 freedom. Oh, oh, freedom. Oh, freedom. Oh, oh, we. And before we be on our slaves, we gonna be buried and wide hope till we gone and be free. I guess I the only one free out here, cause I only yet in me. Oh, freedom. Oh, oh, freedom. Oh, freedom. Over we, and before we be on our slaves, we will be buried in regret and wide hope till we gone and be free. And they'll be shouting. They'll be shouting. They'll be shouting. Oh, me. And before we be on our slaves, we might be buried in regret and wide hope till we gone and be free. Come on, oh, freedom. Y'all gotta sing. Oh, freedom. Act like y'all free. Let me hear it. Oh, freedom. Oh, me. And before we be our slaves, we be buried in our grave. And be free. Ashe. But liberty. Hey, I said liberty.
Liberty.
What kind of trifling thing now?
Y'all gotta speak.
Say liberty.
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 We'll all be free.
We'll all be free.
We can all be free.
We'll all be free.
Now, if other children ain't know, you need to have that drum beating in your heart now. We can pray for you while we pray to give gift to the ancestors. Because you need healing. Because this year ceremony ain't about back in 1670. It ain't even about 1865 with Juneteenth. Dang, the day was announced a special feast with that special on a tree. It's about now.
Yes, that's it.
I see too much of fear, so look back at me, look how I look in the mirror. I know I free. I know who I be. But all the rest of the people that look like you're cheating together. Because on your spirit, it bound. That's why you couldn't clap out there. That's why you ain't even move. That's why you ain't get up when you get in the drum. But the same way, you yet the people say they'll take your voting law from you. They'll take your gun law from you. They'll take your freedom of speech from you. They will take the drum. That's the first freedom of speech that came from we ancestors. 1749, it said, no African supposed to play the drum. But we've been a dorm since then together. We children still look hope on it. They bring back the drum. But you don't have no freedom without the drum. But you gotta have this drum first.
Yes.
You gotta have this drum first. You gotta have this drum first. You ain't got that, you ain't got nothing tall. Cause your hand ain't gonna work if this ain't the work. Mine ain't gonna work if this ain't the work. But what is your focus on? Juneteenth never foolishness. We can dance anytime. June the Black Music Month, you know that? So you can dance anytime. The shameful God that we were talking about Juneteenth for drink liquor and dance. Juneteenth for day off. That sounds like slavery to me. Because they used to give you 4th of July off for that same thing. Because it said then they'll go back in the bottoms and make more babies. And then they slave them to an enemy. That's what he did. It say the more we they give them, the richer they get. Because every head of wheat, there was thousands of dollars. That's what I mean. That's where Gullah first come from, Angola. Then later they say, great God, they're Illinois to start something. We can't bring them in here. Ban them. But God, fix that thing. It go and get Gullah. It go and get Geezy. It go and get all that. What now? 100 children yet they will get you all your take my rights. More than rights. So they always will get you to look at food. Yeah, need some music. Get something to drink. Because why you to do that? They're to teach the land.
Praise God for whom this is for.
We ancestors. Spirit in all is your land. All is your land they call America. I've been in all 50 states. We ancestors' blood in all is your land. You ain't gonna have no America without Africa. You ain't got no America without Gullah Geechee. I can't wait like this show. Every place we the going across the world. All the diaspora come together. Any other colleges.
That's right. Ready that.
That's it. I don't be people left.
Yeah.
We get it there.
Yeah, it is.
Ready to us when they clap, when they shout. Ready to us when they look at one another. I see he, I see me. I see she, I see me. So why you dead them for? You're dead yourself then.
Yes.
So I want all 100 children to do me a favor and I can crack my teeth out the rest of the way because I know some 100 ain't gonna get you a deal. 100 to come here.
Come
here.
Benya.
See that? Be proud if you will come here, I ain't mad. But the Benya, say Benya.
Benya.
Oh, Gonya. Gullah Geechee Benya.
Benya.
And we gonna be here.
We gonna be here.
We ain't going nowhere.
And we nowhere.
Because we be Gullah Geechee.
Gullah Geechee.
Because we be Gullah Geechee.
Gullah Geechee.
Because we be
Gullah
Gullah Geechee. That's what I talking about. So now, even the mayor said that's what I talk about. He still get his DNA done, but see if he Gullah Geechee. Hey, over here. That's what I talking about. He louder than me. So watch this. I'm going to say this way, because I don't want no loss of overstanding. I don't like to do under, because we've been under too long time to get over. So, as you throw things in the water, cast them in the water. Honor the ancestors. Honor God. But honor yourself and your future generation. So if you got anything binding your spirit, cast it off here. If you got a financial burden, you better find if it's pennies. Dig them out, cast them in there. Because you don't need pennies no more. You need millions of dollars. But let me tell you something now. Today, I'm humble beginning. Because our ancestors took pennies and bought this land from Jacksonville, North Carolina. The Jacksonville Fort. Ben Klein. Ashe. Harvey Metz. Ashe. Ernestine Tobias Felder. Ashe. Alim Galabibi. Ashe. Ronald Goodwine. Ashe.
Mogalasi.
Ashe. Ashe. Ashe.
Harold Pringle.
Ashe. Ashe.
Thomas Martin.
Ashe. Esau Jenkins. Ashe.
Enoch Simone.
Lord Chapman. Ashe. Ashe. Bobby Mitch. Ashe. All of the ancestors. And then we are members. Ashe. All of that. And then we don't know. And I got in there public gift.
Y'all having here in Charleston, June 17th, June 18th, solemn, holy days
In the holy city.
in the holy city. And then every year from now on, we're going to celebrate on the 19th. Yes.
Yeah.
And someone just gave me a great idea. I don't think the museum's going to be open yet by Juneteenth next year. It'll be later in the year, probably in the fall. From here on out, the mayor declares we're going to open the I Am for free on Juneteenth.
Yeah.
Juneteenth.